everybody, it's Cupcake Gamer here.
And Thunderbolt Gamer.
Welcome back, potatoes. And today we'll be doing
a slime pet
peeves. And so we have this, you know those water slimes? Sorry for the background noise, by the way. I'm too lazy to do a voiceover. So yeah.
Because she already did one today and it took like 2 hours.
Yep, and so you know one of those water slimes that are on like Instagram? I have one right here. Let me go get my activator. Cause when they add, okay. So I'm just gonna activate this right now because yeah. Because it's really sticky and I don't want to do it. Ugh. And you may be wondering why the slime isn't clear. Well, I heard that if you added hair gel to a slime, a clear slime, not only that it will still stay clear, that it will be stretchy for your over-activated clear slime. But my hair gel was not clear and it ended up turning really hard. Well, I think it's the type I had, but yeah, and I over-activated it. So yeah, let me activate it. Pet peeve. I'm just telling them about this site.
You know that person that over-activates their slime?
Ooh, yep. Thanks for activating it.
Just kidding, that was water, guys, but you all know that person that adds way too much activator.
And they're like in a tutorial and they're like, just add a little bit.
And then they add like half the gallon or something. Ooh, yeah, I shouldn't have done that, should I? Oh, well, it's fine.
Activator with me. So about our schedule thing,
we're just gonna be posting like twice or once a week.
Or we're gonna be posting more, who knows. It just depends on our schedule because we're very busy with school and piano and that stuff.
During school, we might not post every week, but
yeah. But like in the summer, we have free time and we're gonna be posting a lot, so
stay tuned.
And
hit that little wheel. Oh no,
she copied Drainer, Dia, and Craner.
And Sunday. I have a problem.
Okay, so I'm just gonna add activator, and this is actually activator because Anthony ruined it.
This is for the pet peeve. You know that pet peeve video? That isn't really a pet peeve video.
Okay, so now we're actually gonna do it, okay?
Okay.
So I'm gonna do a transition in my editing, and this is the real video, guys, so yeah. Hey everybody, welcome back to, it's me, Cupcake Gamer, and
Thunderbolt Gamer!
And today, we will be showing you this really thick slime.
Yeah.
Let me just poke it, show them. See, it's
so
really thick.
It's a butter slime.
Yeah. So that's the first pet peeve. People saying it's butter slime
When it's
and
not.
people saying it's thick when it's clearly not. Rolling on to the next pet peeve video. Hey everybody. So I got this slime and I made it, and it's really sticky, so I just need to add just a tiny bit of activator, and you guys should do that too.
Just a tiny bit. Yeah, that's good.
It's not.
Maybe we should add.
Don't add too much. Okay, so that's another pet peeve. They add too much activator into tutorials, but of course we're just using water because who would want to waste the slime? And moving on to the next one. So the next one is them saying the slime being really sticky and they're not even activating it. And they're so like they try to do it ASMR.
Yeah.
So watch. Okay, so that is it, potatoes. Just saying, this is not our regular videos. We did this video last minute just to keep the upload consistency going, you know.
And we were kind of bored.
And we can't really do thumbnails right now. We're trying to figure that out. So yeah, I think I can edit it. It's just that Anthony's phone is freaking broken. I can do it on my iPad, but like Anthony has the account on his phone. So yeah. And this video was really last minute, and that's why it's super unprofessional. I would have done a voiceover with Anthony, but first of all, we don't have time to meet up. Yeah. And second of all, yeah, we're too lazy. The slime video I just did and uploaded, it took me 2 hours to do a voiceover for a 6-minute video. So yeah, just keep that in mind, and that's why we don't really do voiceovers that much, but yeah.
We'll see you later, Lonely Potatoes. Don't
Just
forget
kidding.
to like and subscribe.
Just kidding. Okay, so we're going to tell you the schedule, okay? Anthony, the videos coming up will be a vlog for my birthday. I'm not showing my face still. And Anthony will be trying to do Clash of Clans.
Yeah, I'll try.
We're trying to figure out the screen thingamajig. And yeah.
Okay, bye,
Bye,
Lonely
potatoes.
Potatoes. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
And share it to all your friends and family.
And hit the little bell. Bye.